KAC Fashion Wear Ltd, a vertically integrated ready-made garments factory, has been in the apparel buying and marketing as well as manufacturing and exporting business in Bangladesh since 1999. The factory is spread over more than 200,000 square feet of built-up area and lots of open spaces, which sets it apart from other factories in this segment. Its product design and development setup is situated in the United Kingdom. KAC Fashion Wear deals exclusively in circular knit items such as polo shirt, t-shirt, fleece jacket, joggers, etc. KAC Fashion Wear Ltd started its manufacturing and exporting with its knitwear factory located at Tetulibari, Sharabur, Gazipur. It was established in 1999. To meet the increasing demands from its buyers, however, the owners of the company have developed another concern, KAC Knit Composite Industries Limited, in the same premise in 2005. The factory premise is featured with a fully functional effluent treatment plant of contemporary technology and a power backup system capable of providing all the electricity the whole premise needs, which is about each finished floor has a separate metal-free zone to ensure that there is no metal contamination in the final packed products. KAC Fashion Wear Ltd has 3 well-equipped inspection rooms for its buyers. Successful delivery commitment, an inseparable part of KAC Fashion Wear Ltd and KAC Knit Composite Industries Ltd, is in fact the obvious culmination of shorter lead times by way of favorable turnaround times attained through vertical integration and professional excellence at every level of operation. Well spread across USA, Europe, Australia and New Zealand, the clients of KAC is started with the reputed apparel buyers including Primark of Ireland and UK, Garcia Jeanswear of Holland, JBC of Belgium, Ascala of New Zealand, Australia, USA, Gore Factory of Spain and Jacco of Germany. Oikotex certified KAC Fashion Wear Ltd and KAC Knit Composite Industries Ltd. 2012 to 2013, $13 million. 2013 to 2014, $15 million. 2014 to 2015, $17 million. 2015 to 2016, $40 million projected, of which 37% is already exported. 2016 to 2017, $50 million projected. KAC Fashion Wear Ltd and KAC Knit Composite Industries Limited manufacture and export all kinds of premium quality circular knit items, but their expertise in producing polo shirts, round neck, printed t-shirts, sweatshirts, leggings, etc. RAP and BSCI approved full compliant KAC knit factories employ about 2,600 persons who enjoy all the compensation and other benefits as required by the local and international provisions and conventions applicable in the country. All other compliance measures are applied in the befitting ways. Yes, KAC Fashion Brand Limited along with KAC Knit Composite Industries Limited is truly a centre of excellence. The apparel buyers may look for sourcing their circular knit items for the international markets.